Children, you're most welcome to any other interesting lesson. Social Studies, Jonah Brown is my name. Lesson 3. We are supposed to look at barter trade, but I want to remind you, in lesson 2, we left out the reasons why the Arabs came to East Africa. So you'll find out what they are. Secondly, we also left out the reasons why the Arabs took long to enter into the interior of East Africa. So, away from that, back to our lesson. We say this lesson is barter trade. Barter trade. That's the lesson. First question about that, they'll ask you, define the term barter trade. Remember, we say when the Arabs came to East Africa, before the introduction of cowrie shells, they were using barter trade as a medium of exchange of goods. Okay? So now, what's barter trade? Here we say barter trade refers to the exchange of goods for goods or services. I'm saying, let me write it here for you. We say barter trade is the exchange of goods. Somebody can say commodities. Exchange of goods for goods or services. I think my cameraman can show you that one very well. We say barter trade is the exchange of goods for goods or services. Or somebody can say it's the exchange of commodities for commodities or services. Now what do we want to look at next after seeing this one? On my plan, we are supposed to check on the good things, the advantages, the merits of barter trade. Was it very good for these people? Yes, it was. So let's take on the advantages, good things. We say the advantages. Somebody can call it merits. Merits of barter trade. What are the advantages of barter trade? One, we are saying this type of trade was very good. Point number 1. Barter trade is cheap to carry out. By that time, the Arabs found it very cheap to carry out. It did not involve any use of money. You know, money is very expensive to find. It's very hard to find money. But in case you have a goat and you want to rear maybe cows, you get maybe 5 goats, you give your neighbor, and he gives you 1 cow. Second advantage of barter trade. We also say that barter trade does not involve the use of money. It does not involve the use of money. Thirdly, we say that barter trade also promoted friendship. It promotes friendship. How? I must be your friend in order for you to accept to exchange goods with me. If you're not a friend of mine, then and you want something from me, you have to find a way of making friendship with me. Therefore, barter trade also promotes friendship, good love of people. Then lastly, we also say that in that time, there was no problem of currency difference. Whereby, for example here, if you are a Ugandan, you can't use Ugandan shillings when you travel to Kenya. You have to get Kenyan shillings. But by then, if you cross from Uganda and Kenya, you have to exchange goods for goods. That's why we say there was no difficulty of what? In differences of currencies. And then you have to look at the disadvantages. bad things, demerits of barter trade, disadvantages. Here we talk about 1, 2, 3, and 4. Advantages, take in the notes. Then disadvantages of barter trade. As we wind up our lesson, what are the disadvantages of barter trade? The bad things. I'm giving you only one. The rest will be found in the notes that we shall put on our e-learning platform. I'm giving you one that says barter trade involves cheating. There is a lot of cheating in barter trade. So, like you can go back into our lesson, barter trade definition, exchange of goods for goods or services, the good things of barter trade. We said it was very cheap to carry out, among others, the disadvantages. So I urge you to play this video game. In case you don't understand, we shall meet in the third, fourth lesson. Thank you very much. See you.